Battle Royale.
Man, I go kill you in the game in my new shoes, dog. Look. I can't wear shoes like these. Man, where you get new shoes from? Yeah, man, for last week, I buy them and just put them down and I just feel like to wear them now, you know? Yeah, you know, long want a Jordan, I can't wear Jordan, dog, and I can't afford them. Jordan are the new thing. Give me a wear a fight now when you're done. Yeah, me give a wear a fight. Alright, cool. Like, some know me your friend, you know. I'm a friend in no more youth. Alright, we'll play a game. Let me beat another game, you know. Watch it. What are you doing? Watch it. Yo, me G, walk on. Big up yourself. Walk on. Shit. Andrew, come here. So come back here. Yeah, man, go on do your thing. I'm here. I'm right here. I'm going to see where you want. Probably want to wear a fight too. Yeah? How are you going? Why really? I don't feel so. Me G, I know so I want to question I want to ask you. What are you doing shoes? Everything me can have nothing good in there. You want to kill him? Eh? Every time I buy something, I wear it and mash it up. Take it off. Chill, your mother and father, I'm not kill you in there. What are you doing on my shoes? You know my shoes buy? I just say, what wear them? I would like to report an emergency. Where slippers? Where slippers there? I don't know where slippers there. My youth. See if you're not going to lock off the game, then go take your book. I lock it off already. You know, I never have to do him so. Tell him go home. Me I'm going to go home. I don't have to tell him. Let me take up more hot time. This is the last time I go on you. Here? Let me catch you with nothing more for me and see.